Coming over and looking at GC this morning, no real answers. We took out the 1220, but just. Best I've got off this wave 2 top here is what looks to be forming another leading diagonal. At some point, we need to see the metals let go if we're going to continue down in the expected patterns to the target at 1149. So we've got an ABC1, ABC2. There's nothing wrong, nothing broke. Prefer it to stay below 1231. If failing that, the important levels up here at 1248. Do not want to see it above that at any time before we get that final low in the metals and miners complex. Silver is maintaining its pattern, as is the GDX at this point in time. So just patience for the rest of the move down to start to unfold in those. Still got the 50% position in dust at the moment.